guys, I am Eliantus ASMR, and this is my first video in English language, and I speak in Italian. My mother language is Italian, but for first time I want recording a video in English. I read a page of a book of catalog of an exhibition, an art exhibition, spiritual of Kandinsky. The exhibition is in Arc of Vercelli at the Church of St. Mark, and the finissage of this exhibition is 6th July 2040, and I start to read the environments of Arc of Vercelli exhibition. Space place in the 14th century, the Church of St. Mark, home in line with the programming focused on leading figures of the 20th centuries, a substantial core of 22 works from 8 Russian museums that reveal the path that has led to the emergence of abstraction. This first exhibition, in collaboration with the National Museum of Russia in St. Petersburg, conceived and curated by Eugenia Petrova, who is deputy director, has been devoted to Vasily Kandinsky. Artist whose research served as a bridge between East and West. The artist is a shaman in addition to the masterpieces of the father of abstract art, which is accompanied by the careful selection of paintings by masters of Russia, also presents a rich core of ritual objects and shamanic traditions, polar of Sergio Foundation Pojanella, which houses one of the richest collections of this type of objects, from the practices and rituals of the distant regions of Siberia. Kandinsky himself drew up deep inspiration during the early years of anthropological studies that, with the observation of Russian tradition, helped him to measure intellectual abstraction as a form of spirituality. The exhibition has mainly works in the time period between the 1901 and the 1922 years. He left Russia from accepting the task of teaching at the Bauhaus by Walter Gropius received. The artist came to the conviction that the expressed feelings and the drug in the art not serve a more real representation, but the color forms, their combination, and the rhythm of the composition were sufficient to declare the moods and emotions, visions that came directly from the deep movements of the human spirits. Just spirituality is studied from ethnologists between the distant population of Vologda in Siberia in their popular practice, arising from the ancient shamanic rituals. The union of the studies and its training with the patterns of Russian culture and eliminated what's born the spiritual in art, is said that will make Kandinsky one of the leading theorists of the 19th century and of the greatest marxists of all time. The exhibition Arc of Vercelli offers just that parts that passes between some of his masterpieces, just opponent with the rare objects from the tradition of shamanism. The early symbolist painting to those of Murnau, from the work of the Blue Rider, the latest results of this day in Russia. Vasily Kandinsky, the artist as a shaman, edited by Eugenia Petrova, essays in the catalog of Eugenia Petrova and Francesco Paolo sponsored by the City of Vercelli organization June the Art Museum exhibition under the auspices of the Piedmont region. I finished to read this page of